So as a special treat for my YouTube viewers, I am giving you a little condensed section of this first class. You will get to be with me for chapter 1, which is really what is herbal medicine. Now, to get the rest of the syllabus, you'll want to head over to my website, and that is www.enchantedbotanicalsaz.com. And in the website, it gives you subscription options. And so there's all sorts of exciting things that come with each subscription. They're starting as low as $10 a month, but this gives the full classes. Now I'm going to give snippets of the classes on YouTube, so you'll get a little taste of what they're about, and you can decide whether or not this is a learning style that works for you. But for the most part, I sit, I talk, I will be showing things. A lot of things will have demonstrations to go with them. And if that's something you're interested in, then I invite you to go check out my website. And let's get started on the first module of this class. Okay, section 1A. Botanicals, TCM, Ayurveda, etc. So there's many different traditions around the world using herbs. What I do is really a blended version of what I consider botanical medicine. And I like to combine information that I've learned here in the United States, but also regionally specific, even more so here in Arizona. And really the entire Colorado River Plateau. Sorry, can't talk. Many of the plants that I use in my own practices are very local to this region, or ones that I grow in my own backyard. And I love studying the ethnobotanical uses of plants from the Native American cultures here in the desert Southwest, because it's where I'm very connected. Now, you might be in a different part of the United States, you might be in a different country. So locally regionalized plant material will be very specific to wherever you're at. It may be something you choose to incorporate into your own practice of herbal medicine, or you may want to go with one of the more broad topics, traditional Chinese medicine or traditional Oriental medicine. It's termed both ways. Ayurvedic medicine, folk practices, Appalachian medicine. There's so many different aspects of botanical medicine that you can choose to incorporate into your own practice. That's the beauty of it. You can really personalize it, customize it, and do what makes sense to you. There are thousands and thousands of different types of herbs. You see like a little sample of some of my herbs behind me, but I think every herbalist kind of has a list of maybe, we'll say 20 to 30 herbs that they're our go-tos. We really like them a lot. We're super comfortable with them, and in time you will be too. And then there's other ones that we use just for specific ailments that come up, specific issues. And the more you get familiar with the herbs, the more you will build your own repertoire of which ones you're most comfortable with. It's not a one-size-fits-all when it comes to herbal medicine. And so often, we get all eager and we're looking things up online, and next thing you know, you've just pulled a basic formula off of the internet, but it's not tailored maybe to your specific needs or somebody else's specific needs. And that is a crucial part of being a good herbalist. You want to have a well-rounded knowledge about the individual who is going to be using the herbs you are combining for them. And that way, you choose an herb that's more suited to them. There's lots of herbs that have very similar actions, so you just want to pick the right ones for the right formula. I guess my biggest point was just to let you know, you can do research and you can really decide which parts make the most sense to you. If you want more information about herbal medicine, I urge you to visit my website, www.enchantedbotanicalsaz.com. There you can sign up for whichever level of monthly subscription that works best for you. I have a few more classes that will be being posted soon. So I thank you for being here. Definitely like and subscribe if you can. And if you want more information on herbal medicine, holistic living, gardening, etc., visit me on my other social media platforms. They'll show up at the end on the master screen. But I appreciate you being here, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.